Guys, in this video I will show you how to enable fingerprint unlock in WhatsApp. Before getting into this video, subscribe to Black 16 White 16 and click the bell icon without fail. Get this video started. First, make sure that you have updated the latest version of WhatsApp and go to WhatsApp and click on the three dot and go to settings and come down, click on help and app info. Make sure that you have the latest version of 2.19.308 and come back and go to account and click on privacy and scroll down there, and here you will see fingerprint lock. Click on it and turn it on with fingerprint unlock. Set up fingerprint. For this feature, you will need to set up your fingerprint on your phone. So click on OK. Now I'm going to settings and lock screen, passwords and privacy, and fingerprint unlock. It's asking for fingerprint. Done. And coming back to WhatsApp. Now click on that and it will ask for confirm fingerprint. Once again keep your finger, then it's accepted. Now there is automatically lock immediately after 1 minute, after 30 minutes. Click on immediately and there is an option show content in notifications. Now I'm coming back and again I'm going inside. Now it's asking for WhatsApp is locked and it's asking for your fingerprint. Keep your fingerprint and that's it. It's unlocked. Fingerprint is now enabled on your WhatsApp.